Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into something creative and fun: shrink plastic sheets. These shrink plastic sheets from REMOPEST are the go-to choice for crafting enthusiasts. They're versatile, easy to use, and perfect for unleashing your creativity. Imagine transforming your favorite drawings into durable, miniature works of art. These sheets are designed for exactly that. Whether you're making personalized jewelry, unique keychains, or decorative ornaments, the possibilities are endless with REMOPEST shrink plastic sheets. Let's break down what makes these sheets stand out. First, each package includes 25 sheets, each measuring 20 by 14.5 centimeters. They're made from high-quality shrink plastic, offering a sturdy 0.3 mm thickness. One side is frosted for easy drawing, while the other remains glossy after shrinking. Using them is a breeze. Simply draw, color, cut out your design, and then shrink it with heat. It's a straightforward process that yields professional-looking results every time. These sheets are not just for hobbyists. They're a must-have for anyone looking to add a personal touch to gifts or everyday items. Create custom pendants, earrings that reflect your style, or make adorable zipper pulls and bookmarks. In conclusion, REMOPEST shrink plastic sheets are the best choice for clear, vibrant crafts that stand the test of time. Ready to elevate your crafting game? Check out the link in the description to get your own REMOPEST shrink plastic sheets today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of top-notch products like this one. Until next time, keep creating.